Don't touch it. Don't give it any food. Don't get close to it. This is the voice that I will always share for my family every time I'm getting close to stray cats or dogs. Today, I, Napapat Kittisarn from Sarasas Ektra school, will help you understand why. When I was young, my parents also often bring me to feed the fish and bring me to different zoos. But why do our parents and family members forbid me not to get close to cats and dogs in my home? The answer is that adults are afraid if I'll be infected by rabies. This is because stray cats and dogs are not vaccinated and need care. So first, let's know more about rabies. Getting infected by rabies will destroy our nervous system and can make you have hydrophobia, or in other words, the fear of water. Studies say that 95% of this disease comes from dogs, 4% from cats, and another 1% from other mammals. The disease will spread from animal saliva to our bloodstream. Currently, we do have vaccines that can prevent us from rabies, but we still don't have a medicine that can cure us from this disease. If we don't receive the vaccine in time, we will die. If we got bitten by an animal, but we don't know if it has rabies, we will have to take the animal and send it to check for rabies disease in the lab. I noticed that the rabies disease comes from animal saliva, and it is RNA virus like the COVID-19. Then there's a question in my head asking, is that the only way to check for rabies? My hypothesis is that, what if we have a rabies self-test kit? I would like this experiment to use the antigen test kit technique to check for rabies like the COVID-19 tester. In this experiment, we need to add food into the cotton bud in order to attract dogs or cats to come and lick it. Then apply the saliva on the cotton bud to the test paper and wait for the color to change like the litmus paper. If the results turn red, then it's dangerous. But if it's green, it means safe. This way is faster and can save more dogs and humans' lives. If we have the rabies tester, the dogs will be less worried, and we, the children, remain safer. This tester will also increase safety for society and help the Soy Dogs Foundation in their quest to sterilize more dogs in our neighborhood.